Welcome to Bharat Microjets. So we have designed and fabricated a new jet engine test kit, and we have also designed the DAQ, which is basically the data acquisition system for the jet engine. So here the jet DAQ is called Jet Propulsion Lab. Here what we can side, we are observing the carbon dioxide levels which are outside as of now, ambient atmosphere, in the ambient atmosphere. On just alongside it, we are observing the decibel levels, which is basically the noise level of the engine. And this gauge here will show you the engine temperature, and on this gauge you can observe the ambient temperature of the engine. And here, we can observe the electronic control unit voltage and fuel pump voltage. Now we are going to start the engine, and we are going to take some measurement of thrust, RPM, and ejection gas temperature. You can see the RPM is increasing on the RPM gauge. You can see the ejection gas temperature increasing, and